and it literally says Debby written on the dash.
Yeah.
And I think that was the guy's wife. And so he said once he brought it back from California, they built this barn or shot shed, like little lean-to.
It was falling down when you
little
went in the car.
lean-to. We had to pull some of it down to get the car out. And I walked in there and I saw it, and man, it was like $5,000.
It was $5,000, and then all the seats, the original seats had just bed sheets on them. And the guy went out there every
they were
week.
nice though.
Yeah, they were nice.
So the what we got from it was his wife had died, and he said once a week he'd go out, start the car. It was up on jacks to where the tires and everything weren't sitting on the ground, but it was 100% stock.
Yep.
And we ended up buying it right then and there.
Here we go, quick little side project. You guys probably seen this car on YouTube. It's Murder Nova's son Aden. It's his car. Murder Nova set it up for him for his first race car. There was a whole backstory on it. I can't remember it off the top of my head. But here it is, a really cool car. And I think they're going to set it up and run a little Gangsta. Aden's been driving Shawn's 55, which is a beautiful car and sentimental to Murder Nova. So he wants to get him out of that, I think, and into something else. So yeah, with aircon.
What's that?
With air conditioning.
Yeah.
Aden getting some passes in. Dad's 55 before we finish his Chevelle. No bars. Too spicy, Dad.
It started to go, didn't it?
They've asked me to do the turbo setup on it, so we're well underway. We're just waiting for parts now. So got the twins in there. You got their own brand on the turbos, which is pretty cool, and the water to air cooler in the inlet manifold. They had a Pro Charger on it. They've had I think they had a naturally aspirated combo. I think they might have had a nitrous combo in it as well, but this is the next evolution of it. So I'm just glad, enjoying getting to put a little bit of a Motorfab stamp of approval on it and do a bit of work on it. So it's a cool car and I can't wait to see it go. Okay, so before we can address the turbo system, the steering's in the way. The headers don't fit in there. Looks like they do from there, but trust me, they don't. There is not enough room. Let's show you. No go. So, also, steering's been rubbing quite aggressively there. Pretty dangerous. It's had a couple of bolts loose in here. They said they left them finger tight just so they could get them in and out because they had to get the plugs or the header or something like that. So it's always been an issue with this car, apparently, the steering. So we're going to reroute the steering completely. To do that, we need to modify the column, which someone's done once before. You can see the old spline that Tig welded a little extension on to pick up the newer style uni. But we're going to reroute it down there probably and come up. So this has all got to be much shorter. So we'll get about that, and then we can get onto the turbo install. So that is both sides all tucked up, ready to weld as far as I can get till they get some more parts for us. And they're not mirror image turbos, so obviously you got scroll up, scroll down. Just waiting on the merge, some flanges for the wastegates, and yeah, that's about as much as I can do till we get those. I'll stop for lunch, and then I'm going to tackle the steering, see how far I can get with that. But we're going to need a machine, some parts, and I think we're going to need some round bar as well.
In my video.
Really?
And people are commenting. They're like, man, it's so cool y'all wear each other's shirts. And then I didn't know what he's talking about. And then apparently you must have that shirt on the video the other day.
I did.
Yeah.
Whenever we went.
So whenever we
So-
went pro mod racing, I wore this one on the trip,
Yeah.
and then of course we broke
Yeah.
all them belts and shit. So I was out there working.
Yeah, so a lot of people on my channel are commenting that we wear each other's shirts.
Yeah.
So, anyway, what are we calling this deal?
I also wore a Midwest
Yeah.
shirt the other day,
Yeah.
and everybody said, "That's so cool! You're still supporting Chiefs merch." This was my merch whenever I was
Yeah, that hits just a little.
Yeah,
huh?
no, it doesn't hit me that bad because
Yeah.
I try not to.
It probably crawls all through there.
Like you wouldn't believe, man.
Oh, man. That's funny. Man, I try not to worry about stupid shit like
I do
that,
too.
you know.
And then, but never fails when something like that happens. I don't care that I don't see it on the internet.
Yeah.
I get 15 screenshots of it.
100%.
You know what I mean? And it's like, oh
Yeah.
man.
Yeah, no, same. Yeah, so
So you guys just tell me who we're promoting here.
we're just promoting everybody. We're promoting Murder Nova, 187 Customs, Fireball, Motor Fab.
Yep.
Now, look, we're just doing a cool collaboration project for right now.
You
Obviously, you wanted Aiden's car to be cool, and you need a fabricator.
Well, I wanted Aden to not drive my cool car.
Okay, that makes more sense.
Okay.
Yeah, I get it.
Yeah.
But to do that, it turns out it's costing you money anyway.
Yes.
I don't know what's cheaper.
It don't matter.
It
Either way-
doesn't
any
really
way it
matter.
goes.
Yeah.
Everybody that has followed us for any certain amount of time knows that we have struggled with this car. And it's amazing because we can build something from the ground up like the burnout truck.
Yeah.
Never have a problem with it. But this one, for some reason, we just can't get right with this. And so it was running good. It makes a lot of power, but we just kept on losing belts. Every time we'd stick it, we'd lose belts.
Because it was a, and I
It was a-
legitimately can't remember, it was a Pro Charge deal, right?
F1X.
F1X, yeah.
Pro Charge deal. It made
Yeah.
1,200. It was cool. He's been racing my car. He wants to run the 530 index
Yeah.
class. And for that to run 530s in this heavy of a car,
Yeah.
we probably would have had to spray it.
Yeah.
And then the maintenance would have went up from there. And right now the 55 on low boost is running what he wants. So
Has he
this
been
car-
530s in that yet?
Yes.
Okay, I thought he had. So he's doing pretty good in the 530 class.
Yeah,
You
not
still
bad.
want him out of your
Not
55.
bad. Yeah, yeah.
Let's be realistic. Everybody's seen it. That car's been crashed once already.
Yep.
And,
And then I said,
you
I
want
remember
nobody
saying
driving
it. Nobody else is going to drive this car
except for everybody.
except for except for Phantom and Aiden now. Yeah.
And then if I wanted to drive,
But they
it,
got
I'll
all the
do it.
experience.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? They got
Yeah.
years and years
Yeah.
and years
Hey,
of
look,
watching
man,
me race.
Yeah, right.
I watch all the YouTube videos of you
Yeah,
doing
that's
it
right.
for the last
Yeah.
15
Man,
years.
I
In
do
car
feel
camera and
like,
stuff.
I do feel
Yeah.
like you're starting to get the if you can accumulate clout to be able to do it, man. I mean, look,
Yeah.
you've been
I
doing it.
mean, at that and I went 430s.
You did. That's
He
what I'm
did,
saying.
yeah.
Yeah.
He did.
It's like nobody can
And-
take that away from you.
And there's people, and he's not going to let them either.
Yeah, I know.
Just about the time they start to forget, boom.
Gonna remind you.
So
Just another
there's-
task.
There's been many of times that I want to put him in either the white car or the OG and go
Yeah.
a little bit faster than that.
Yeah.
Get him closer to the 4.0s.
Sure.
Maybe not dip into the 3s yet, but
So
it
close, you
never
might as well
seems
just
to
let it go.
work out. Like something will happen and we'll end up hurting something, or I don't know.
Okay,
It never
so
seems to work out.
the great story about this is, you got Phantom who, like, I've known you for a long time now, and I've seen your race trucks that you like to drive, and we know that some of those go 11s, 10s, 9s if you're hopeful. Maybe you can get an 8 out of it. So you've kind of progressed into this deal, right?
Yeah.
As you should. Then you made it past the small tire car, you made it past the OG, you drive the 55 around, you kind of get a little bit of track experience.
Yeah.
Here's the problem. Everybody watches these videos, you let Phantom do that, and the next message I get is, put Javi in a car. And while I don't care about putting Javi in a car, I really would.
Yeah.
But the fact of being able to get somebody to go up to that, being able to go
Yeah.
430s or 420s,
I've
you cannot throw in the keys. Be like, here you,
You
go, bro.
No.
Go
No,
get-
you shouldn't.
no, you're dumb.
People
Yeah.
like what Carson is doing and stuff.
Yes,
is
exactly.
that doesn't happen.
Exactly.
You know, and even Todd, a Swastrom's guy, that doesn't happen very often.
For them to be able
For them
to do it is
both
impressive,
be able to do
honestly.
it.
I know.
Like, think about the difference between me getting in. We've been in a lot of fast stuff. We've been down some sketchy stuff. We've done a lot that you're not supposed to do with these
We've been
cars.
thrown in front of a camera with a race car to do things that we have to do.
That's right.
Which has given us a lot of experience, and that maybe we wouldn't have taken that chance had we not in that opportunity.
That's right.
Yeah.
But then you think about me getting in blue, the Pro Model,
Yeah.
and how far my brain is behind that car. And then you think about people who've never raced before getting in something that fast.
Yeah.
It's just unbelievable.
And the fact that 7.0 or 530 Gangsta, there's at least 3 wrecks at every event.
Oh yeah. Oh, yeah.
In first
Usually
Aden
round
was
one.
almost
Usually
one of
round
them
one.
in California.
Oh,
Yeah.
man.
You know, so the car comes up on 2 wheels, and I told him, don't pedal the car. If something happens, just lift, get out of it. Your chances are you're gonna lose the race anyways. Which he pedaled it, went up on 2 wheels, pedaled it a couple more times. He did prove me wrong because he won the race. But he got out and he goes, okay, Dad, now I know how far not to take the car. You know, and I was like, but I told you. You know, but whatever.
Well, you
That's
didn't
all
know.
the
I
reasons.
told
I mean,
you.
look at this car though.
Yeah.
Like, hey, look, man, he wants to hit the wall on this car. Man, look, I'm gonna go, ooh,
You're probably
man,
gonna hit the wall,
you gonna
not
beat
the
that out or what? Like, what are you
We're
gonna
going
do
in
here?
here,
You
I
know?
know what you want
Yeah,
to do here.
what are you gonna do here? Where I don't have to worry about it, you know? Which I still have to worry about it,
Yeah.
but this one right here is gonna make life so much easier.
Sure.
He should be able to run the 530 class pretty easy on this one with 25 pounds of boost.
Well, we've already got plenty of data for it.
Everyone's trying to come up with a secret strategy for 530. Like, do you go way faster and then just hit the brakes, or just try to run
Yeah, what do you do?
530
'Cause
every
I
time?
don't know what to do, and I always wonder what
Everyone has their own
I
deal.
think what I would like to do is run 520s, and then at the end, just barely try to stay in
That's
front of
what I
another
would.
car.
I know it doesn't mean I'm right, but I think that's what I would do too.
I think that's the only way that I would want to do it. Which with the 55, man, it's just he's only been 536 is the fastest he's been in that car, and so that is just you just got to run all out and hope that the
Yeah.
car breaks out in front of you.
Which I go back and forth because if you could get a car that was 30 to 33 consistent every single time, that maybe that's the way to go. I don't really
So
know.
what you could do, like say, the 55 if it went 536 every single pass. So if you could go out there and cut a 010 to 015 light every time, you're going to get out on most people, and they're
Yeah.
going to panic. And if they have a 520 car, they're going to go 520 in front of you.
And then hit the
and
brakes.
lose.
Yeah. Or
So-
Or they know that how much they have to hit the brakes during a 530.
So Tommy that won the last 2 little gangsters, Tommy Hoskinson, he that's what that car runs, man. Like a 31.
Yeah.
Like just 31.
What's the combo?
It's
Twin turbo
It's a
LS.
twin turbo LS.
What else is it? Isn't that Falcon?
And that Falcon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
So anyways, I think that this will be a lot easier path to get Aden back in his own race car, out of my race car.
Yeah.
And then he's got his own little enclosed trailer. He doesn't have a dually or nothing yet, but
Sure does.
and then he
Yeah. Shit. I've seen him drive that a lot.
yeah, he does. He does. He drove that from coast to coast already.
Yeah.
So
Well,
back in.
yeah. So, me and Luke teamed up to kind of take his MotorFab brand to the next level here in the States, and very successful in Australia. We wanted to do it here. He's got really amazing fabrication skills.
Yeah, no, I've seen his car. I've
And
seen his
you
car.
can see his car, you can see what he does here, things like that. And so we talked about, hey, we're going to do this, we're going to do that, but we haven't got quite set up yet. Sean needs something. Here we are.
Yes.
So it wasn't really our plan to do this first.
Carson needs something. Sean
Carson,
needs
that's
something.
how it went. Carson needed pedals put in his car. Guess what? Now we got an in-house fabricator to do that. So it's handy. What we're trying not to do is derail us completely from the main goal, which is make parts.
It happens
We
quick.
for sure. We don't, especially with me. I'm like squirrel, and then we go to somewhere else.
Yep.
But this is awesome, and
Like a
and
burnout car.
like a burnout.
Yeah.
Car. That's a whole other thing. Yeah, I'll have to tell you my burnout car idea.
Okay.
Because you're going to want one too.
No, he's already got one.
I have
so,
a burnout truck.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Now Aden needs a burnout car. That's what he's saying.
No,
We've
Sean
had that
needs
car.
to burn
Yeah,
out.
yeah.
Aiden had a
Aiden's
burnout.
already let me
Yeah,
know
yeah,
he's got
yeah.
big plans for that truck.
Yeah. So, no, but I think it's cool that I like to see the project. I think it's cool that you got to do it.
Yeah.
And so today, you guys are just getting an update on how far. I know you've been calling me going, hey man, I want to come check it out, and we've been running around.
Well, we've been
checking my
busy,
neck
man.
out.
We don't get a whole lot of time at home.
And we're off again tomorrow.
Yeah.
Nope.
Monday.
Monday.
Ugh.
How many hours are you gonna take us to go to Canada?
30.
It's 2,000 miles, right? 1936. Did I see that? 2100.
Oh.
It's 2,000 miles.
You showed me something the other day that was 2163 or something.
That's
Something like
from
one track.
That's
to
from
another.
I think this is 19 high 19s.
I
You
don't
got
know.
6,000 miles in 9 days.
All I know is if we make it 10, 11 hours a day.
That's what we need to do. That's
So
right.
Monday, I don't care what time I leave, I need to make it to Denver.
Yes.
Just, on the other
Agreed.
side of Denver.
27 hours.
27. That's not.
No.
How many miles?
1,932.
Okay. Man, that just don't equivalent to me. I don't understand, but it is what it is.
Yeah, that's about what we made from here to the first California race.
What we did, and me and you did something different. I went to Denver. You went to Denver. Then then we stayed at Minholtz in Billings.
Yes.
That's
I,
what we
I
did.
kept on going.
Huh?
I kept on
You kept
going.
rolling. Did you go all the way from there?
No.
We stopped in some
We
little
stopped
town just
real
before the
close
border.
before the
Okay.
border
Yeah.
because we didn't want to go through that late at night, which
Yeah.
maybe we should.
If we, for sure, you might be on some.
Yeah.
If we want,
You know, the
that's
night
an
crew's going to go, let them through!
option. Yeah, they're good.
You know?
Or they're going to have a lot of time, and they're going to
Yeah,
be
yeah.
like, search them.
Yeah. Ugh.
Not that we would have anything.
It's American. Search.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
They think we know, but we don't.
Yeah.
Oh,
So,
man.
but anyway, so you would like to be able to put hose on that?
Well,
Seems like it's a
at
lot
some
to ask,
point.
but-
At some point.
Man, I know what you want to do, and I get it, and I even understand why you want to do it. But it sure does look good that way.
It
It does.
Yeah, that's what I was saying, Sean. I've done it so there's no unnecessary, weld in the system.
Yeah.
And that's really hard because that angle doesn't always meet. So then you have to come back and change this, and you know how many times I changed these little angles to get that. So it's like, it's just me being fun.
Faucet.
Well, it's up to you. Like I said, man,
We can make it
if
happen.
that's the only way, so be it.
I don't
Yeah.
think it's the only way.
No, I don't.
By no means. I think your way is also doable. With as much aftermarket stuff that's on this car, if it was me, I'd put a fitting on here and I'd put a fitting on there and I'd run that deal with that because
Well,
that looks really good. But it's not me.
We
it's you.
are going to put a electric water pump on it.
And that's good. Well, hey, at that point in time, I mean, it doesn't have to.
It might be AN.
Might be AN anyway. But you should do it however you want. But not that you care what I think, and I don't blame you if you care what I think. But
Worst
It
case
looks-
scenario, if we decide to stay that way, I'll make you a spare radiator and a spare hose. You can put them in the trailer.
I'm sure it would be fine. I'm sure it would be fine either way.
I'll pull it apart and play around.
hey,
We have
but
excess
but
bands.
also, as a customer for other fabrication shops, I wouldn't want somebody to talk me into something I wouldn't want either because they all
Yeah.
do that to us.
Yeah.
I mean, they do it to
Yeah.
me. Like, me and him talk about this all the time. You go somewhere and you think you want something a certain way, and they go, no, you don't want that. You want it like this.
You want it to
And then
So
you
I
go,
don't want
Okay,
to tell you that.
okay.
Yeah, so I don't want to tell you that. I'm really giving you friendly advice, and my friendly advice is I would do it that route. I'm not telling you that so we don't change it, because I know Luke will change it if you want to change it.
How bad is it going to be later on whenever I want to take this right here out so that we can run methanol and then move all this stuff down?
Well, you've got
No, not
you've
so
got
much.
this, you got this much you can take out.
These turn, yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Cool. Sounds easy enough.
Yeah.
Basically, he's saying
I
is
think he's
he
already
can
got a
do
plan.
it. He can do
Yeah.
it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because let's be honest, how much is he going to cruise this thing around? It's got a big enough tank in it that he can run it on methanol.
I've got methanol in the core.
Yeah, I know, but that's just a lot of extra weight.
I don't think it's necessary.
It's not. I don't think it's necessary unless you're just tapped out.
Yeah.
And there's absolutely nothing else that you can do to make more power. I don't think that we're going to be there with this car.
No, the
We
turbo
will at some point. That's why we're going to swap it to methanol.
Yeah. At some point, the turbo will become the limit.
Yes. And I don't think that.
I mean, these little guys will make.
Yeah, these things should make
probably.
yeah,
or more.
17, 1800.
Yeah, I would think so. I mean, it ought to make whatever the 55 makes.
Same as 55. Everything else is the same.
Yeah, you're 55, my 69. They'll,
Yeah.
I mean, they make about the same power.
Well, yours makes more. It's got that little motor.
Not do it. Not have him stop telling people it's got to build.
Oh man! All right, I got things to do. I don't know about y'all. I
I
can't
know.
stand around all day and just
we
talk.
don't have much to do.